Measuring stairs for your dock is really easy. All you need is 3 tools: a straight edge, and a level, and a tape. You just need to know how high the deck is from the ground. Here we have 28 inches to the ground. Each step is 7 inches tall. Divide the height by 7 and subtract 1. That means we're going to have 3 steps here. 3 steps will be 3 feet away from the dock. Use the stick in the level to double check the height. Great Northern Dock makes stairs and swing up on hinges. And then make them mount to shore. Oh, sweet! 3 steps stairs right here. They're gonna work for me. That's fine. Wow, this place is just like a candy store. These stairs mount to satellite and Duralite docks.